Have you ever wondered why some traders only risk a few dollars, while others lose hundreds or even thousands on the exact same trade? The answer isn't luck. It's all about lot size. Lot size is one of the most important concepts in Forex trading, yet it's the one beginners often overlook. In fact, understanding lot size could be the difference between growing your account safely and blowing it up in one bad trade. Let's break it down simply. In Forex, a lot size refers to how big or small your trade actually is. It determines how much you win or lose for every pip the market moves. In this beginner's guide, we'll explain micro, mini, and standard lot sizes and help you choose the right one for your journey. What is a lot size in Forex? A lot size in Forex is simply the number of units of currency you are trading. Instead of trading just $1, Forex uses standardized lot sizes to make trading easier. A standard lot is 100,000 units of the base currency. The size of the lot you choose directly impacts your profit or loss. For example, in EUR/USD, a 1 pip movement with a standard lot equals about $10. Beginners often confuse lot size with leverage, but they are different. Leverage is borrowed money, while lot size is the trade's volume. Understanding this basic concept is crucial because it forms the foundation of risk management. Micro lot explained. The smallest lot size you can trade is called a micro lot. It equals 1,000 units of the base currency. With a micro lot, 1 pip is worth about 10 cents. That means if the market moves 50 pips, your gain or loss is around $5. Micro lots are perfect for beginners because they carry very little risk. They allow you to test strategies in real market conditions without risking significant money. Most brokers today offer micro lots, making it easier for new traders to start with as little as $100 to $500. If you're just beginning, micro lots are your safest entry point. Mini lot explained. Next comes the mini lot. A mini lot is 10,000 units of the base currency, and here 1 pip is worth about $1. So, a 50 pip move would mean $50 profit or loss. Mini lots are the middle ground between small and large trading. They are often used by traders who already have some experience and a larger account size, typically over $1,000. With mini lots, you feel more impact from market movements while still keeping risk at a reasonable level. For traders who want to move beyond testing but aren't ready for the high stakes of standard lots, mini lots are the ideal step. Standard lot explained. A standard lot is 100,000 units of the base currency, and here 1 pip equals about $10. That means if EUR/USD moves 50 pips, you could win or lose $500 on a single trade. Standard lots offer high profit potential, but also come with high risk. They are usually recommended only for professional traders or those with accounts larger than $10,000. Beginners trading standard lots often blow their accounts quickly because the losses pile up fast. Standard lots are powerful tools when combined with solid strategy and discipline, but for a beginner, they are more like a dangerous shortcut than a smart choice. Which lot size should beginners use? So, which lot size is right for you? As a beginner, always start with micro lots. They are safe, affordable, and let you practice without stress. Once you gain confidence and your account grows, you can shift to mini lots for moderate exposure. Standard lots should only be used after years of practice, when your skill and account size can handle the pressure. The wrong lot size is one of the biggest reasons why beginners lose money quickly. Remember, Forex is not about taking the biggest risks. It's about surviving long enough to learn and grow. Smart lot sizing is survival. Lot size may sound technical, but it's actually your most powerful risk control tool. Micro lots help you learn safely. Mini lots let you scale responsibly. And standard lots are for seasoned traders only. By understanding lot sizes, you put yourself ahead of 90% of beginners who fail because they trade blindly. So the next time you place a trade, ask yourself, is my lot size aligned with my skill and account? That answer alone can decide your future in Forex. If this beginner's guide helped you, Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Pip My Trade for more simple Forex lessons. Comment below which lot size you're currently using or planning to try. Let's build a community of smart, disciplined traders who win by managing risk first.